Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a dedicated video. It is all about a very specific beauty tool, which is a total game changer. So I want to introduce to you the latest Ulike hair removal product, which is their Sapphire Air 10. Now this is their latest technology for hair removal. It is a product that you can use at home. So I've been testing this out for a good month now. I'm not new to IPL hair removal. I am familiar with it, but I have been very, very impressed with this product. This is their latest technology in hair removal that promises long-term results in hair reduction, but you are getting professional results as well, all in the comfort of your own home, which is personally what I prefer. I really do not like to go to like a clinic or any kind of salon really. I like to just do all my beauty routine at home, especially when you've got kids as well, and I'm pretty time poor. But this product, you can use it at home. You get the same kind of salon results that you would get, if not actually better, because it's a far more comfortable product to use than going and getting, laser or even waxing as well, let alone if we go down the route of shaving. So this product is going to be great for someone who wants that convenience of something that they can use at home, but still want professional results as well. Let me show you the packaging as well, which can be very important if you are thinking about this as a gift idea. This could be a great gift idea for Christmas, birthdays, even Father's Day as well, Mother's Day, of course. But in terms of Father's Day, there are definitely men that don't like to have beard hair or they find it irritating. This could also be a great product for them too. So the box is very well presented, and it says on here that Ulike was the world's #1 hair removal brand of 2022. So in here, they've also given you a razor. You've got a carry bag as well. And very importantly, you've actually got sunglasses, because you do need to wear sunglasses when you are using this Ulike Sapphire Air 10. Then inside here we have the Ulike Sapphire Air 10 IPL hair removal device. Then you've got your power cable in here and your adapter, because you do need to use this product plugged in. I wanted to give you a bit of an insight into why the brand was ranked the #1 hair removal device company. So Ulike is a brand with over 10 years of experience in IPL innovation. They've collaborated with top dermatology research groups, including a medical advisory board, to develop hair removal solutions that are not only effective, but also safe and clinically tested. The Air 10 is their most advanced model yet, and it's FDA cleared, complies with international standards, and clinically proven to work and give you hair removal results that you will be impressed with. So in case you didn't know what IPL stands for, it actually stands for Intense Pulse Light, which works by emitting a broad spectrum light that targets melanin in the hair follicle, helping to inhibit hair growth. The Air 10 features dual light sources, making treatments faster and more powerful, with visible results expected within 2 to 4 weeks. So let's talk about what makes the Air 10 stand out. Firstly, it uses dual light pulses and a new SHR mode, which is super hair removal mode. That delivers up to 26 joules of energy per burst, which is ideal for tackling even coarse or stubborn hair. So it also includes Sapphire ice cooling technology. This cools the treatment area to around 18 degrees, preventing burns and irritation. This feature alone makes the device incredibly comfortable to use, even on sensitive areas. As you can see the device fogging up, that's the Sapphire ice cooling technology, and all you need to do is wipe it away to remove that frost, but that frost makes sure that you do not feel any pain whatsoever. It's like ice cubes on your skin instead. There are 4 power modes tailored to different hair types, from fine hair to thicker hair, or even if you're just tackling regrowth. It also has a built-in skin sensor. Now this is very important because it detects your skin tone to automatically adjust the power level that it needs for your safety according to your skin tone. And it also has a UV filter for additional safety as well. So let me show you now with a demonstration of how the Ulike Sapphire Air 10 works. Firstly, you want to make sure that you shave the treatment area. The reason being is that the IPL works best on hair in the active growth stage. You also need to make sure that you have freshly cleaned and dried skin. Then I select the appropriate power level for the area I am doing. As a rule of thumb, especially if you are new to IPL hair removal, start on the lowest setting, which is the fast mode in this instance. But otherwise, as your skin gets used to IPL, you can follow the guide in the manual for recommended settings. So there are 2 ways that you can use this device. You can either press the lightning button for each pulse of light. That's that big button in the middle of the Air 10 device. However, bear in mind that the device needs to be placed correctly on your skin for the pulse of light to activate. This ensures that you are targeting each area efficiently with that pulse of light. The other easy way is activating automatic mode, where you actually just hold down that lightning button in the middle of that Ulike device there, and you'll get a row of lights that come up on the screen. This means that you are in automatic mode. And that means you get pulses of light as you glide the device over your skin. Again, you'll still need to make sure that you have the device correctly on your skin, otherwise that pulse of light will not activate. But it is very, very easy. This is the fastest way to operate the device, especially if you were doing like a bigger area like your leg. This dual lights can do a full leg session in under 10 minutes. As for the results, I actually used to have irritated legs all the time from shaving. I was always one of those people that used to get like those razor bumps. However, I can now report that using the Air 10, I have fantastic results over just 3 weeks. So the hair growth on my legs has slowed down rapidly. I probably haven't shaved now for at least a good solid week since my last Ulike hair treatment. Of course, because you're always having to shave before you go into your treatment to make sure that you are attacking hair at that regrowth phase. And obviously overall, this has really helped in terms of having that irritation that I used to have with shaving, because now I'm not needing to shave as much. And I know that eventually I'll get down to a point where I'm only having to shave pretty much every 6 weeks. Now, Ulike recommends a 12-week treatment cycle. So for weeks 1 to 4, you'll use the device, say like a few times a week. And then after that, you'll move to bi-weekly touch-ups. And as I just said, eventually you'll get to the point where you're only having to use the device, say, every month or more to maintain that hair regrowth. That's why this device is so great, because it's a once-off purchase for a lifetime of use. No longer having to do the painful waxing, no longer having to do that irritating shaving process. And then also as well, if you were someone who, went down the route of laser hair removal, that's also a tedious process too, because you have to book in appointments. It also hurts as well. But you can get great hair removal results in the comfort of your own home with this Ulike Sapphire Air 10 device. It is truly great. Really well worth the purchase in my opinion, for sure, especially because I was able to get results in just a matter of 2 weeks under my underarms, and then my legs was a matter of like 3 weeks. Now, I do also have an exclusive discount code for you guys. So the code is ULIKEPUR. This code is going to get you 20% off your order. And as I said before, the Ulike Sapphire Air 10 could be a great gift idea too. Doesn't have to be just for a female, could also be a man as well. And in the long run, it's going to save you a heck of a lot of money anyway, because it's that once-off purchase for a lifetime of use. So I'm going to leave that discount code down below in the description bar, as well as the link to shop the Ulike Sapphire Air 10 IPL hair removal device. I definitely recommend it. So let me know your thoughts. Is this the kind of device that you think that you need in your life, or you think someone else that you know could really benefit from having this device? Thank you very much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.